Proposition 333. Each continent could have multiple repurposing centers where all new garbage is brought, but so is all the garbage in our oceans and landfills and garbage dumps and junkyards and even tons of space debris. All to be collected from centralized area where fleets of AI drones dissect everything that pass along the process into becoming the building materials we need to build immense new cities that are tens of miles wide and tens of miles long and miles high, and fully efficient and redundant and self-sustaining. We can employ the entire world and then offer them safe housing just by putting our garbage to better use. Proposition 334. We already have a company that is willing to visit your house every day to drop off items you ordered online. Many other companies drop off items to your house at random intervals, sometimes when nobody will be around for hours. Home delivery currently suffers from many inefficiencies that are easy to solve. Forecasting and advanced logistics tied to product longevity can have the items you use most often arrive on schedule and quantities so you never run out and it never goes bad. Proposition 335. When suppliers work together to leverage forecasting and advanced logistics, then just as a household should never run out and rarely go bad, so can distribution centers stay properly stocked dynamically and plan better long-term where products will need to be and when, ahead of the times they need to be there. Global supply chain efficiencies need to be harnessed across the globe, and we can flourish with abundance instead of suffering in squalor. Proposition 336. Right now, items ship all over the world and fuel is burned, or expensive batteries that have shorter lifespans than we need will soon be tossed aside as refuse. But by lowering the amount of movement of products near the minimum needed to support the never run out and never go bad model, we can use AI and advanced logistics based on consumption patterns to have a package arrive at everyone's door during the best time windows of their choosing. Proposition 337. No longer do stores need to pay people to stock the shelves so they can pay other people to unstock the shelves and put items into separate containers for pickup or delivery. Soon, they could just put in bids for the items they want to sell in an area they want to sell in, and the centralized distributor can accept lowest bids and outsource the sales while consolidating the shipments, and every company involved could benefit. Proposition 338. Packaging no longer needs to be fancy, and waste can be cut down by using materials that are easy to clean and disinfect to minimize what we need to recycle in the first place. That same container dropped off each day, once emptied, would be filled with that day's refuse and garbage. The same company that drops off items automatically being replenished, plus any one-off items ordered, would take away your trash and bring it to the centralized processing centers. We can remove huge burdens on the requirements needed for recycling through reusing and repurposing. Huge amounts of global waste can be eliminated by standardizing on easy to repurpose and clean to recycle packaging materials. Proposition 339. I offer Mr. Musk a better plan for his space endeavors than rushing to colonize Mars, and Mr. Bezos a method of helping save our planet by reinventing his company yet again. Then I challenge all other multi-billionaires to also invest $1 billion each towards Project Survival, a think tank of the brightest minds focused on solving the most pressing problems ahead of us. Done properly, without graft or corruption, we could in fact change the course and destiny of our planet and see a world where every child would have equal opportunity to flourish and excel. Proposition 340. Science fiction is only fiction until it isn't. Most ideas predate their actualization, and some may have seemed far-fetched when first presented. Plenty of science fiction may forever remain in the realms of the imaginary, such as traversable wormholes, stable white holes, traversing the line of time in reverse, or transporting intelligent organic matter fully intact. Our species, failing to become interstellar travelers, regardless of the hardships involved, is to prematurely admit defeat. Our species has shown time and time again what our ingenuity and initiative can achieve with the right incentive, and I am certain that the survival of our species for as long as we can evolve is almost certainly the primary reason life first takes hold on big wet rocks, regardless of how or why we are here. Plenty of obstacles are ahead of us, but none will be solved until our species stops being the primary one.